everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for ways to start your day with purpose, energy, and focus, you're in the right place. That's why I decided to make a change, to take control of my mornings, and it all started with setting my alarm a little earlier, 5 a.m. to be exact. Today I'm sharing my 5 a.m. morning routine, how I went from hitting snooze to hitting the ground running. Are you ready to dive in? Let's do this. Okay, so the alarm goes off. It's 4:30 a.m. Now I know what you're thinking, that's early. And trust me, it took some getting used to. But as a student of the 5 a.m. club, I believe in the power of owning my mornings. The first thing I do? Head straight to the kitchen. It's all about starting my day with a little indulgence, a little self-care. And that, my friends, means coffee. Seriously, that first cup of coffee in the morning, it's pure magic. It's in those quiet moments with my coffee that I feel truly present, grounded, and ready to embrace whatever the day throws my way. With my coffee in hand, I settle into my favorite spot, usually my comfy armchair by the window. As the sun slowly starts to rise, casting this beautiful, soft light across everything, I take a few moments to just breathe, to savor the warmth of my coffee, and then I shift my focus to my goals. I find that reviewing my goals, both short-term and long-term, is incredibly powerful. It's so easy to get caught up in the daily grind and lose sight of the bigger picture. Sometimes I jot down my thoughts in a journal, other times I simply visualize my goals, picturing myself achieving them. It's not just about checking things off a to-do list, it's about aligning my actions with my aspirations, about living a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. After my coffee and goal-setting session, it's time to nourish my mind and spirit. This is where gratitude and meditation come in. I usually find a guided meditation on YouTube. There are so many amazing ones out there. I also love listening to gratitude affirmations, just reminding myself of all the good things in my life. Focusing on gratitude, even for just a few minutes, truly shifts my mindset to a more positive space. Meditation helps me clear my thoughts, quiet the mental chatter, and just be present. It's like hitting the pause button on my busy mind and allowing myself to just be still. It allows me to approach my day with a sense of calm and clarity, even when things get hectic. With a heart full of gratitude and a mind that's clear and focused, it's time to get my body moving. This is when I head out for my 1-hour walk. Now, I'm not talking about a leisurely stroll here. This is my time to breathe in the fresh air, soak up the early morning energy, and really get my blood pumping. Walking isn't just about staying fit, it's also about mental clarity. As I walk, I find that my mind starts to wander, and it's in those moments that I often have my best ideas. Sometimes I'll listen to an audiobook or a motivational podcast during my walk. Other times I just enjoy the quiet, the sounds of nature waking up. But no matter what I'm listening to or not listening to, that 1-hour walk is non-negotiable for me. After my walk, feeling energized and refreshed, it's time to head back home and get ready for work. I'm a firm believer that when you look good, you feel good. And that's why I always make time to dress well, even if I'm just working from home. For me, dressing well isn't about following trends or impressing anyone. It's about expressing my personal style and feeling confident in my own skin. It's amazing how the simple act of putting on a great outfit can completely transform my mood and boost my self-esteem. And let's be real, who doesn't love a little fashion moment? One of the best things about my 5 a.m. morning routine, it allows me to start my day feeling calm, organized, and in control, which is especially important as a mom. By the time my little one is awake, I've already had my coffee, exercised, gotten ready, and I'm feeling completely unstoppable. This means I can be fully present with my child, enjoying those precious morning moments together without feeling rushed or stressed. We have time for a leisurely breakfast, lots of cuddles, and maybe even a little dance party in the kitchen. Punctuality matters. Starting the day on schedule helps me stay calm and avoid unnecessary stress. That sense of calm extends to every aspect of my day. This routine has transformed my mornings. By waking up early, setting intentions, practicing gratitude, staying active, and dressing well, I feel more in control of my day. It's not always easy, but trust me, those extra few hours in the morning are pure magic. If you're thinking about creating a morning routine, I highly recommend checking out the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. It will change your perspective on mornings. It certainly did for me. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. See you in the next video.